I feel
What?
like parang it's your lip now. That's happening to your lip.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan, no? For our next game, we are sending out a player. So the person we are sending out is Angelica. Everyone, can you say, bye, Angelica?
Bye, Angelica!
So lalabas muna siya. Angelica is an expert at a certain field. At kailangan niya tong hulaan with the help of Chester. Dahil hindi niya magagamit yung kamay niya, si Chester ang kamay niya. And Chester will be giving clues as to what her expertise is. And if she's going on the right track, gusto ko mag-cheer tayo. Practice. 3, 2, 1. Medyo kung mali-mali yung sinasabi niya, I'd like you to boo her. 3, 2, 1. If it is going there, pero mali pa rin, pero palapit na, we can say, boo, yay! Can we say that?
Boo, yay!
Perfect. So, I need you to give me a noun na medyo mahirap hulaan.
A noun, place, or thing.
A noun, place, or thing.
Tama ba?
Person, place, or thing.
Person, place, or thing.
Yes.
Ano po?
Ay, artist.
Oo, yung artist.
Narinig ko yun. Chapel Roan. Alam ni Chester yan. So now, Ariel, can you kindly get a verb or action word na medyo mahirap din hulaan?
Quivering.
Oh, wow! So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome with a warm round of applause, Angelica! Hello everybody and welcome to our show. Today we have an expert in her field. We have Miss Angelica. Hello, good evening, Miss Angelica.
Good evening, Miss Aaron.
Thank you so much for being on the show. Siyempre, alam natin that you are the only person in the world with this expertise. Can you tell us more about it?
Ganito kasi yan, no? Yung paghawak, dapat dalawang kamay. Right over left for the practice.
Oh, for the practice. Okay, yes. I understand that you have to practice for this. How many years have you been practicing for this?
Sa church kasi,
Oh, I'm sorry. I feel like it's the smaller version of that.
ay, right.
Yeah?
Sometimes kasi it looks big, pero chapel lang pala siya.
But of course, everyone goes to chapels. This is a different expertise. A certain kind of religious experience, no?
Kilala mo ba si Chapel Roan?
Of course, we know who she is, no? I would say, no, that's half of your expertise. So can you tell us a little bit more about the rest?
So since kilala mo siya, medyo... Wait lang, kinakabahan ako.
Oh.
Medyo excited na kinakabahan.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Paano ko ba sasabihin to? Ganito, guys. Itong kamay ko, pag inaalog ko ng ganyan,
Okay.
ibig sabihin nun, parang may nararamdaman akong kakaiba.
And how does this help you with your expertise?
Pag nararamdaman ko na yon, parang, nanggigigil ako.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Pero for a few seconds lang. For the much longer time, mas calm. Pero excited.
Oh, wow. Excited.
Oh.
So you feel that you're excited when this is
Down
happening?
there.
Down there. You know what? I feel like parang it's your lip now. That's happening to your lip. The thing earlier.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan, no?
Sorry, kasi medyo nagkakaroon ng...
Malamig ba? I'm sorry.
Medyo
malamig.
malamig.
Off ko muna yung aircon.
Oh, salamat Medyo nilalamig nga ako. Medyo nagkakaroon ako ng hypothermia.
Oh, wow. And when you have that, ito,
Nanginginig ako, nagsishake ako.
yes, we have a phone-in question.
Hello, gusto ko po makausap yung ate kong expert. Saan nga tayo nagpaayos dun sa mabilis? Si Mr. Oo, sounds like, oo.
Sa Mr. Quickie.
I see. Just out of curiosity, no? Yung breakfast mo today, was it oats? Ano yung brand ng oats?
Quaker.
Oh, okay. So,
Nagkukwake ako.
nagka-quake ka. Oh, we have a call. Yes?
Hello, I would like to consult our expert. Kasi yung anak ko, nagbo-bow and arrow. Pero lagi niyang nakakalat lang yung mga arrow sa sahig. Saan ko kaya siya pwedeng ilagay?
Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa likod mo.
Yes. Oo, tama.
Sa bag sa likod. Doon sa parang...
May tawag sa bag.
Meron nga eh. Dapat alam ko to kasi nag-archery ako. Yung satchel thingy. So parang sounds like quiver.
I see. So what is your expertise?
Chappelle quiver.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Angelica and give it up for Chester. Her arms.
Bet Manila.